When you're cooking up a storm and you've got food waste galore, don't throw it in the bin, 'cause now there's something more. I'm your kitchen caddy, I'm here to save the day. Turning food scraps green, green in an easy way. Don't waste, replace. Scrap your veggies, bread and bones. Don't waste, replace. Old pizza and use paper towel. Don't waste, replace. Your coffee, eggs and even hair. Don't waste, replace. It's easy, clean and green. Into the caddy and then into the green bin. Turning scraps to compost. Your kitchen needs a caddy. 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 Get yours today.